你们好，こんにちは，萨瓦迪卡，马德海，大家好。Selamat datang. My name is Rashid. I want to welcome all of you to the blue family here for the birds and buggy show. The bird is flying out there. That is the bird from Australia. His name is Baba. You want me to count down? Call his name. 1, 2, 3. Really loud. Here we go. Give Baba a round of applause. Thank you very much, Baba. Cockatoos like Baba here not only can they they can also be found in certain parts of Eden. Now the bird now show will be flying low above your head. Do you want them to fly low? Yes or no? I know it will be very interesting, but when they fly low, okay, you must not raise your hand or try and catch the bird. Don't do that. They fly low, you raise your hand, they might just knock your hand and maybe fall on the floor with a broken wing. You want that to happen?
Oh, look at the flamingo.
Bring your hands down. Ask the person be seated. Sit down. 坐下，安住下。Who are you? Birds on stage here, these are our flamingos. They are all greater flamingos. 8 of them are babies, only about 5 months old. This one here, they are not dirty flamingos. Babies, 5 months. We are very successful in breeding these birds.